Hi, I'm gonna sing Payphone by Maroon 5. I hope you like it. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Maybe it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture, but you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And is there time that you wasted? All of my bridges burnt down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we got love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I've spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. You turned me my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You said you expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we got love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, now bust that dick. I'll be out spending all this money while you're sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. I'm just in the bottom of you when you think I'm something. I'm going to put a button. Button you can see I blew it to you could call it. Just a number to my phone so you never could call it. I'm balling. Swish. What a shame, could have got big. That a really good game, but you missed your last shot, so we to the top. They open for and validate upper doors. He's looking for. Ask me who you got so you can take us at a later space it with you. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Okay, that was Payphone by Maroon 5. That music that my mom is playing is really annoying me right now, but it's the best we can do. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and click that like button. Thumbs up, please. See you next time, YouTube. Bye. Oh yeah, I'm cool. New York hat. See ya. Where's the button?